Hey, how are you, fourth graders? It's Mr. Zunig again, and I'm ready to teach you a new lesson today. It's gonna be phonics. And yeah, you're guessing right. It's pages 22, 23, and 24. So let's put hands on work and let's do this. Okay, what do you see? Video games, Mr. Zuniga? Yes. It's gonna be a mentioning on some video games. So why? Because today we're talking about three-letter blends. But still, how does that have to do with phonics, Mr. Zuniga? Okay, it has to do a bit, because the video game Street Fighter, and notice the title, Street, and we're talking about three-letter blends. Three-letter blends. We need three letters, which are consonants, and they work together in a syllable. Does that happen here? Absolutely. In the STR, street, STR, three letters, they are a blend, they are una mezcolanza, and they work together in the syllable. Of course, we have more examples. We're gonna have words with STR as Street Fighter, SPR, SCR, SPL. Some examples: street, once again, spring, screen, splash. It is quite important you remember to sound this out properly, like S, not like S. So I'd like you to say street instead of street. No. Make sure you sound it like street. Okay. Alrighty, and another set of examples: strike, spray, scroll, splinter, strong, sprite, scream, splendid. Okay, with that said, let's move on and let's work on page 22. As usual, we're printing the date as a heading for the page. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, 2020. I'm a bit confused sometimes with date because I record these videos ahead. So Tuesday, April 28th, 2020. So print the date, don't forget to capitalize. I always prompt you to check the superscript matches with the ordinal number, in this case 28th. Use of commas and period. Okay, remember that's gonna be over here as a heading, and this is the page we're working on today. So let's do this. As usual, grab a pencil, sharpener, eraser, and maybe something to decorate up to your taste. Okay, the first part we're doing, it's this one, the one that says solve it. And we have a little bubble with some blends, three little blends. They are SER, STR, SPL, SPR. With that said, we expect words for the answers to be started with those blends. For example, number one, a loud yell. What is a loud yell? And we see the letters EAM. So the obvious answer will be to complete it with SCR and say scream. Scream. Likewise, number two, thread or yarn, something ending with ing, will be string. Same way with number three, to share or cut in half. So we say we're going to split. Alright then, let's continue. And number four, a coiled wire. Oh, that's easy. It's a spring. Number five, something to drink through. It's a straw. Number 6, to twist an ankle. You don't break your leg here, you twist your ankle. Say sprain. To throw water is to splash. Hope you're with me. We'll continue on number 8. Remember, this is what you need to complete. So let's continue on number 8. Pause the video whenever you need to. Okay, number 8. To clean by rubbing hard. Okay, I hope I didn't make a mistake here because answer has to be scrub. Yes, it's a scrub. Number 9. What is the opposite of weak? Okay, strong. And what is to grow a seed? When the flowers sprout. What is a small river? What is an arroyo? What is a riachuelo? Stream. Stream of water. Okay, let's continue. Let's do number 12. How do you cure an itch immediately with your own hands, with your bare hands? You scratch. 13. What is a leftover piece of paper? Oh, that's easy. It's a scrap. What are the lines on a zebra? What are they? What is one line in a zebra? Easy. That's a stripe. Another way to say a road or an avenue. Like the video game I've been talking about. Street. Okay. I think we're done with that page. Double check your answers. I do suggest the use of cursive. And don't forget to... Sorry for that alarm ringing. Don't forget to print the date. Okay, let's continue. Let's move on. And let's do one spot that says All Star Extra. It's this part. So Mr. Zuning is gonna read it for you so we can have a little discussion. It's not gonna be a real discussion. Maybe while we meet in the classroom on Zoom. So what is this about? Let's read it. We see a picture of 3 kids. They are on a fireplace and they are like grilling marshmallows on a stick, and it says August 14. So let's read the text. There is actually a holiday called National Marshmallow Toasting Day. Look at a calendar and find a holiday you've never heard of. Think of a fun way to celebrate with your friends or family. Okay, let me talk about this. For example, a few years ago, like 5 years ago, I had never heard of the Day of the Grandparents here in Honduras, but it happens to be in the calendar. It's in August. I don't remember. It's like the first Thursday of August. And you have to celebrate the grandparents, but we Honduras ignore it a bit. So I was surprised when I acknowledged that day. How about you? Is there a day you didn't know about? Maybe you can check in a calendar and find out a new day you're not familiar with. Oh, in the United States they have the Christopher Columbus Day. When I found out that they celebrate for Christopher Columbus, I was surprised. So there are many days we might not be aware of. Is there any you'd like to know? Let us know later. You can send me a WhatsApp telling me about that, or we can discuss it when we meet in the Zoom virtual classroom, okay? Or you can just discuss it with somebody else. All right, with that said, let's continue. But I'm gonna continue on the second part of this video. So check on the second part, okay?